Good morning, world. It's me, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. Um, Intel continues. It broke above um, this volume level. It's over. Now up to close the gap. This gap is retest. My trading view continues. What? Yeah. It's oops. It's trading view. You see, it says it's working on its drawings loading issue. Level is here, so it can close a 2-bar spring. Damn, it's hard to work like this. Thank you. It's hard to work like this. You see, it's habitual. When the heck is that? It's hard to join in an impulse. Wait, why do we have? Okay, that's why. Yeah. It can close a 2-bar spring. Still gonna be counter trend, but yet. And we're gosh, I even far above the 0.5. This is ridiculous what I did. But yeah, can pick it up from here, can do whatever the heck you want. It's gonna be like too stretched up there. I'd rather want to see it here, but it is what it is. The good thing is I'm in position. Oof. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You remember that's exactly what I was telling with some other stock, but that's exactly, if it came here yesterday, made me an up thrust in 0.5, everything perfect. I set up a trade with the real stop because I cannot trade short with the real stops. Set it up like this. You know what I mean? Look, if this guy comes over something like this, gives me an up thrust. I set up my trade. This is my stop. This is my take profit. I'm happy. And then it opens like this and closes me at the market there. You can blow up your account easily. And the problem with short, you cannot trade. You absolutely cannot trade it with stop limits because there is no warranty that will ever come back here, ever in its life. So yeah. Let's see how it goes. Sagar plug, Tatneft, TGK, Air Product. counter trend. It's counter trend. Let's keep an eye. Rocco. Самолет continuous correction. So does AFK system. And this guy is in there now. Oh, hey. That's the example I was talking about. No, that's not the one. That's not the one. Rock up. It's an upthrust. It's now a test. This volume indicates that it wants to break it because of this. You should really measure it from the last entry, from the last decline. So from here, the biggest volume. It looks like a reversal. We'll play by the book now. I'm sorry. It's too early in the morning. Oh, come on. That's the level. Thank you. On volume T1, and you see on volume T1 and the result doesn't makes us wait for way too long. It's going lower. I think it's gonna break. I'll keep it open. It's in 0.5 right now. For better or worse. That was a transition extremum. Let's keep it open. Yandex. Too many taps again. The Rosneft guy. Yeah. Qualcomm, we have it open. RTS. This is beautiful. didn't reach the... Gosh, it's annoying. Look at Qualcomm. Yeah, that would be disaster to have a short trade with a stop market and then just to see it go back. That's brutal. That's brutal. Okay, we're forming a spring. That's our change direction. Yeah, and it's a balance. It's a little bit funny. This song is just stuck in my head. You guys probably have noticed for the past few weeks, months, years, lives. It's a good song. Of all the songs in the world, I mind this one being stuck in my head the least. Did I just compose a proper sentence in English? That's something new. Yeah, we also need a somewhere here. Too many tabs. Too many tabs. Yeah, TM is going higher. Toyota Motor didn't wait for me at all. How rude. Oh my gosh, it's annoying. I think that's my sign to focus on my events ticket selling today. Because I cannot work like this. Guys, I'm gonna leave you alone because I can't work like this. We gotta fix it. I'm gonna keep what I have open. I am. Interesting. It's too high up there anyways. Yeah, look at this. Do you want to wait for this correction? Because I don't. Oh, thank you. Hair product. Counter trend. Wait, I'm confused now. Yeah, so I need a close manipulation signal anyway. Or... Gosh, I'm blanking. Since levels coincide, I don't need a close manipulation signal here. Look at this though. You want to argue with that? Because I don't. This needs a close manipulations. No, it doesn't. It's a balance. It's a balance. I don't know why I do this. I'm not gonna trade it anyways. It's just not the right place on hourly, on daily. Am I just avoiding the reality? Yeah, it's not tradable. for something super quick though. This looks great though. Yeah. And you can tell everybody. Why am I looking at this? Apparently for no reason. Look at this. This guy just goes without me. Leaves me absolutely no choice. Accumulated. There was a 2-bar spring, but then on test. Yeah, absolutely no. No mercy. Okay guys, I'm not gonna torture you. This thing is just not working right. This also looks like it's going down, down. Well, strong strength, and then like weaker, weaker, weaker. It'll bounce at some point. I just don't know where and how. And this is exactly where and how. I think it just bounced. Right? Oh no, this never changed. Yeah. No, never mind. 5 minutes remains gibberish because this 1 hour level has been there before. So yeah. It looks like ABBV is doing it. Look. Look. You can blow up your brokerage account just with the one trade like this if you don't know what you're doing on the market. And that was me some years ago. Good God, I didn't trade with like stock markets, even though I should have, but I would have blown up my account. And I didn't, lucky me. And I didn't. This goes close. Yeah. I remember it was like crippling down. Interesting. That's interesting. So that was a transition extremum. So technically we didn't need a closed manipulation signal here. Then goes like this and breaks above. You see how volatility changes as the time progresses. Yeah. Too many tabs I have open. For sure. This is annoying. This is annoying. It's going down. Oh my gosh, sorry. Up and down, down, and then up again. Confirmed, and then down again. It just like twists and curls. Lockheed Martin. I don't know what to make out of it. Only if it breaks down and goes down, but it's gonna be counter trend. Just okay. This revived. That's not bad. This volume now. This volume down. Okay, I'll fight. I'll fight the trading for what it's worth. I'll make it load my charts. For God's sake. This might be interesting. Volume still holds. 10, 10. Lower. I don't know. I'll just open them all. Pfizer did another drop. And guys, I start onboarding new stocks, non-paying dividend, non-paying stocks, non-paying dividends. I don't know how to say it right. Okay, this guy. Yeah, that's the example I was talking about. What if, like, here it gapped like this? That was a trade. But absolutely impossible for me to keep overnight. Cool trade, but I'd have to close it yesterday here. 1-to-1, not bad. Because with a real stock market, what if it gapped over? And now what I'm trying to see here happening. Yeah. We had these volumes. After this, it goes up, up. Yeah. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. It's already did its move. It comes here again or here. I chickened out yesterday, but yeah, that's all I have. Okay, let's see these guys. State. I think I just need it here. Here. I just need it here. Drop the level. That's interesting. I don't need it open. I have my alerts set up. Yeah. United Health. And it's going down. It's not a bad exhaustion volume, and that's a spring. Same deal. We can put it in the condor and let it go. Oops. Pfizer. It dropped. God damn it, it dropped. So that was a good spring in 0.5. That was a good spring in 0.5. Dune. I think it was also upthrust, I mean. Yeah, it was too far. It would have worked. I was too far below the daily model. What I'm trying to do here. What am I trying to do here? Let's wait. It's actually good for short. didn't we just took a look at the Pfizer? We also have the Horizon, and we have. I'm not gonna go into monthly watches. I think this is enough. It's like more than enough. We have open. Yeah, you're right. Trading view, it's more than I can handle. What I'm trying to do here. Nothing. I have an alarm set up. Qualcomm, same deal. What I'm trying to prove and to who. No, this is balloony. I want to get rid of this like technical volumes. I just don't know how. I don't know. What's going on here? It's counter trend, so no, since it's a and it's a counter trend anyways. So I don't need any of this. Beam, 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 beam. This does look like an exhaustion volume now. Ideally, you want to see it in the last bar, but that's all right as well. As long as we get over. As long as we get over that bar. Oof. What I'm trying to do. Okay. We need a level. Here we have an alarm set up. Here we have an alarm set up. Here we have a break. So it continues. Yes. Let's create a rule. Don't have more connections open than my account allows. I'd love to see levels here, and here, and here, and here. And here we have, like, come on. Okay. We need levels. We need levels. This is massacre. Yeah, this isn't a glitch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. We are in this corner here. Break with some good result. Arguably good break on monthly. I wonder how much of what I say sounds like absolutely gibberish to you. I guess a lot. I guess a lot. Maybe we'll do workshops someday. Not yet. I have to grow. So that's an interesting situation, I think. Horse minute style. That's rather an interesting situation. It's in the middle of nowhere. Context direction is short from 0.5. On hourly, it just twists and curls. Yeah, you can hallucinate all you want. So like, came to 0.5, exhausted from here. You know what I mean? Because it was changing direction here. Yeah, it was. It changed the direction, going up, 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 and then exhaustion volume. That was the biggest volume of this thing. You see, it's like matryoshka. It's like doll inside a doll. And now it just twists and curls. So, see if it comes here again. Where it should go? You don't have to come here again. It just was here. It did its job at 0.5. On volume spring, and then yeah, and it's up there. That's annoying. I'll put the alarm now and it will beep right away. You see? It's annoying. Okay. So I'll keep this on the table. Okay, we got levels. It's breaking up. It's almost reached its potential. It's almost reached its all-time highs. I think we'll start seeing some interesting moves on American markets soon. Let's take a look at the SPY. Counter trend, but also getting close to all-time highs. I don't see exhaustion volume yet. And by the way, this deserves to be, well, too down below, but still that biggest volume. Yeah. And that's like 20th of September. No? Oh, yes, it's 20th of September, so. Fake volume. Alert. Let's let it run and see what happens. Let's take a look at the SPY real quick. Like, did I not? No, it glitches. It glitches. Let's take a look at the SPY real quick. Still grinds higher. Nothing super alarming. And that's 20s. This is a good volume though. Look at this. Never mind the 20th. But this qualifies for an exhaustion volume, at least for this movement. Not for this one, of course. Wow, this volume is so rich on SPY. It's just amazing. But yeah, far from like exhaustion, but good for solid correction. It's only good an hourly after closed manipulation signal. But on minutes, down. Let's gap and go actually. Look at this, bears, sellers. They all got locked up, so. And you can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but that does look like a bit of exhaustion. Except for last volume of the day. Yeah, it's good for an exhaustion, you guys. And there was a similar stock somewhere here. Somewhere over here. Wait. Pfizer is... It's a trend. So I don't need a closed manipulation signal on our. That was gap is retest. That retests as we speak. That retests as we speak. What's the biggest volume? That's too high up there. And it has no body. This bar has no body. Yeah. Oops. That's not what I meant. Yeah. And somewhere else there was a similar situation. Ooh, look. And that's 20th, of course, but that's 19th. That's a volume top thrust. That's a volume top thrust. But only good up to 0.5. And we're already far below 0.5. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I'm looking for. It needs to come here. Good. Okay. Boom. It's like super technically, that was the level. And we don't need a closed manipulation signal here. So, super technically, we can look for entries on minutes. Nothing holds here though. Nothing, but nothing can pass. Nothing can pass to you. And it's yeah, we passed or bypassed, I don't know, whichever, the transition extremum. So counter trend now. Counter trend. This one, I think, yeah, we need a close manipulation signal on daily to trade of hourly, but on hourly's, yeah, it's considered of levels. Ooh, that's not a good volume. This is not a good volume. Just telling you right now. That was a massacre, but transition extremum was here. It was here. And yeah, no, that's not tradable. That's not tradable on such a good market capitalization. But 5 minutes are just miserable. We'll keep it just for the market capitalization. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go and Sberbank is doing it. I feel like I'm fooling around on Sberbank. I'm not real. Just like, I feel like I'm not real. There's volume. Yeah, everything checks out actually for a quick trade. Yeah, but come on, hey, for real. This still holds the biggest volume. Risk is not worth it because I don't use like margin leverage on Russian market, on any market. So like super quick trade here of 5 minutes. What am I gonna make? Nothing. Nothing.